iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. So, if you are in the habit of putting your money and betting on football matches, I would rather say to you that all bets are off. Don't waste your money on Mamelodi Sundowns. They've already won the league, and the way that they are playing their tempo, their body language is suggesting that they might want to change things around. So you will lose your money if you think throughout the season. Of course, you bet on them. You think they're going to score goals. They usually win the matches. Don't risk your money on Mamelodi Sundowns because the tempo and their approach to the games, it shows that they are already champions. I think they have 5 matches left in the league now. So with those 5 matches left in the league, don't count on them winning. If they want to win, they can win. They are better than all the teams, but don't count on them really exerting themselves. They drew 0-0 against Cape Town City on Tuesday. It was 0-0 again today. I think that's like, statistically, it's an improbability for a team as strong as that in a league that they dominate so much to have 2 back-to-back 0-0s within 4 days' time. So take it from me, don't bet on them. Junior Khanye, analyst, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Drizzy Drake? Yes, Tiz. Please show people that you trust nice. Where's your blazer? You look like a present.
I'll shoot the people. What's good? Now, you know what? I'll wear my blazer on the next video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You look beautiful. You look amazing.
Producer R. Kelly. R. Kelly producer. Star Black. Beautiful. I know it's Suli Lingwen. Mele Suli Nkulega kuna problem. No, neatness. Like, mele clean.
Angimodlu kotin. Drizzy, come here. Show them how lousy of a dresser you are.
Abonkulega ngitamatota aba business person.
So me and him, we always dress shit.
Yeah, people who make money.
This is swag, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
There's no swag. What the fuck is this, bro? Seriously, like, seriously.
These are people who knows money. So, matotazi mali lawa, hey.
I always dress
matotazi mali nethi.
Angina mali. Wena ugqoka ihlanga zomhlophe namhlanje. You're still wearing white shoes. Mina ngigqoka amaphaca imali ngiyithola kuphi? Yeah, bo.
Humble, but you can't talk too much. Action, speak louder than words.
Masiye ku Sundowns today and yale siyibukele namhlanje. Well done to Swallows.
We need to be honest.
Yeah.
Ebafethi kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting no one we try to fix South African football. I mean, actually, Mamelodi Sundowns City is on the league already. So, Urulane Melas, one of my expectations about now for Hena. I mean, if we are the team, same team that beat Al Ahly 5-0, same team beat Royal M 5-1. If Uzoti, they're not taking things serious. And then that's a problem, unless I'm a player. But for me, the way they approach the game, it seems as they wanted to win the game. They failed to score 2 games in a row. We need to be honest. Yes, they already won the league. They are champions, irrespective of the one team. If people didn't win, I'm a player or not, they not want to show. But my expectations are high. I mean, Sundowns, if they want to go to 2 games, bangakori. And I'm trying to game in here, just to Kurma. They approach the game a very strong starting 11. 3 in the middle, the best players in South Africa. Same team, they battle go Champions League namakeme bawinile badlala ngawo ngikhuluma ngumkhwena umbule mkhulisi. These are best midfielders in South Africa and a team abanokudlala ngayo very competitive games and they win those games. So today just let body language kula stadium you cannot attack ground in ama fight kuna starting point kuna la middle whereby saqabanga middle. Last year there must be sense of urgency, there must be a lot of movement, there must be we should make a spark, minimize the touches, move a baller. So, starting a responsibility. Sometimes players go state be badalanga build up. So today, vice versa, the way badalanga couldn't build up last state, they couldn't score. That wrong. I'm sorry. Approach body language in Kulmang up front. You cannot know hawking pace. Those are 4 defenders. They were sitting. It Swallows. They never came to this game wanting to score. They came here to stop Sundowns. Simple. Yeah, defender, the midfield, bebapagele, which omunye bebabona, no munyula na we shoot right midfield, central midfield, which is holding midfield, nang up a left midfield, bebabona, and I left forward midfield, ne right forward, back, nkuluma mina ngorusuke, Isaac, Pachi, back. 3 of them, and baphambi komthetho, and iSwallows ezingikutshela Nkululeko ine beyize kule game benganayo believe ukuthi they can get a goal from Swallows, maybe set piece, throw in, corner kick, but nakhona ukuthi bazoyithola kanjani hope, because truly speaking, tactically going forward, nothing. Goal game management in terms of circulating the ball, nothing. They didn't even make 3 touches or 4 touches. Bapume afinia aboganye. Bachola, you understand? So, Mara, gule game based on ngokuthi sizo stop Sundowns. Any basebenza because 0-0. Truly speaking, Sundowns not much creativity. We create my chances. Bebafuna pass until goalkeeper. We understand the strengths are they pass kuma pockets, but nearer to each other, Swallows players. So basically, just to Moshi party. He came here just to stop Semoshi party, not.
Oh, they needed that point.
Yeah.
So they are now 4 points away from relegation. With that point, they were 3 points away from relegation. Now, with that 1 point, they are 4 points away. So there are 2 matches, at least with safety, and there's 5 matches left. So, by safety are 2 matches a little bit.
Yeah, I found 1 point by Chodile, but truly speaking, Minasan Kurmelisa would came here today. Swallows came to this game without any intention of scoring.
That's what they want. They wanted to get a point.
But it's dangerous. I'm sorry, unfortunately, yes, but Alamunim could accuse with the Sundowns, they've got quality, whatever. That's why Swallows good TSTV Premiership now. So, truly speaking, Minasan Kurmelisa Sundowns going to this game. Body language, Kurmang up front is wrong. Middle. Especially the coach chances, wrong decision that he was doing today, and in the middle, Sundowns not much combining. Nkuluma Mkulisi, Wanga complimentan Mkulisi, Neo Mahema, Mbule didn't work. No Mkwena didn't work today, especially to them. Shalile always finding himself kuma wrong areas whereby lagmela qabang ekhona. Uright magaba central cause ngihlale ngikhalela uthi ngeplayer lakhe. He doesn't think. He accept play smart ngendlela ukuthi laqabanga. Liyashaya alifinish that's all. Cause he got so many Mauzo Mr. Ipali, he target ku 6 area yard. Ungalibheki Ipali, what does it tell us? So yes, he's a good striker, top goal scorer, but no. Mina ngikhohliseki, unfortunately mina ngishayeki. So Shalile is a good player, we understand, but kunezinto angivezelezwa not today, but today uthatha ama decision wrong. Ngeke umisi target ku 6 area yard. Nenye into, sometimes if you can't turn always on the box, you cannot as a striker 10. Umuntu la emva kwakho you 10. Sometimes lay and then other people they score. So wrong decision choices, especially Sundowns. First half ball overload side like a right. You can tell ukuthi lela side bafuna ukule expose like a right, but ama crosses wabo they were poor. And second half they came trying to babuyele kule nto yabo ukuthi we're gonna find them slalise both side ngama pockets, but it didn't work. So credit to this sort of situation point, but in terms of truly speaking, angeke City Sundowns came to this game wanted to draw or already won. Yes, they won the league, but Mboni team ga Roland they ifakile today. Same team later win last, and it's not truly speaking but City standard kuleko. If people they ask questions, coach ufake 11 efuna win, but you didn't score. I know mangabaleka, but it's a reality. I support Sundowns, they're one of the best. I support itlape winayo, and especially the way they win as Sundowns. They're doing well. I support bona because they're playing number 1 style of play, South Africa. They score ngendlela South Africa kumele play style of South African should idlale ngaso bakora ngalo ndlela kune identity. But if they're failing to score, we need to be honest. They won the league, but why? But honor this game, especially with the same strong 11. Kuba nama expectations. So they didn't score today. Same thing. I think they failed to score. It's not acceptable, yeah, especially gule team abaguyo. Noma ngabayi win the league ngule, yes.
All right, there you go. If you watch this game, you would have seen Mamelodi Sundowns players on the stands. I suppose maybe the best way to do it now is to call some of the players on the stand. If the team has no intention to really be serious and exert themselves, just give those other guys a run. In fact, the commentator was making the same point I was making. We made the same point at the same time that, in fact, that the players that were on the stands there, you could actually have another team and call them, give them Mamelodi Dragons, give them a new name. They would also win the league with those players that we understand. So if the intention is that we've won the league, then play those players then and see if they're not going to exert themselves. But for the betting community in football, don't waste your money on Sundowns. It's a huge risk because today they really didn't really apply them. The 45 minutes was really a waste of time. The first 45, it was really just a procession between the two teams. Maybe a little bit in the second half, Sundowns tried, but still they didn't score. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.